Hello everyone, welcome to Amazing Accounts. Today we will do fixed assets entry in Tally. You know fixed assets, which is non-trading items such as fixed assets. Let us assume company has a purchase delivery van from auto agency. There is an invoice you can see here. So let's do in Tally. It's a credit purchase, no cash or bank ledger is involved, so we can pass it through journal mode. Press F7 for journal modes. Firstly, we will see entry delivery van account debit to auto agency limited. So delivery van is our fixed assets and save it. You can make easily by using Alt C. Here you have to write 3 lakh rupees debit and credit auto agency limiteds. Auto agency limited is our sundry creditor, so you can make ledger creation by using Alt C, and you can see here maintain bill by bill. You have to press yes, after then save it. So there is maintaining bill by bill, and you put narration. Here you have to write being delivery van purchase from auto agency limited. After then you have to put control A and save it. So finally we have done purchase of fixed assets. So let's do our depreciation entry. Depreciation has been charged at the rate of 10% per annum before selling of fixed assets. So we have to calculate WDV of delivery van written down value methods. So depreciation account debit to provision for depreciation accounts. You can see here depreciation account is a indirect expense and provision for depreciation account is to be credited. So enter it, and you can see here I have used control N for calculator in Tally. So we have charged depreciation half yearly depreciation amount 3 lakh at the rate of 10%, 6 by 12 for 6 months, and enter it and save it. After then say before save it you have to put narration being depreciation charged. I am writing here and save it. So finally we have done our purchase of fixed assets and depreciation entry. सो नाउ वी विल डू सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. सो आप देख सकते हो हम फिर से अकाउंटिंग वाउचर में जाएंगे एंड प्रेस करेंगे F7, और यहाँ पर मैंने एंट्री ऑलरेडी की हुई है साइड में सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड एसेट्स एंट्री. यू कैन सी हेयर लक्ष्मी मोटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट. आई एम क्रिएटिंग हिज लेजर. लक्ष्मी मोटर्स इज आवर सन्ड्री डेटर्स मेंटेनिंग बिल बाय बिल. येस यू हैव टू प्रेस. एंड मेरा जो व्हीकल है ₹3 लाख का था, जिस पर मैं 15,000 का डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज कर चुकी हूँ, और ये मैं इसको लक्ष्मी मोटर्स को 2,77,000 का सेल कर रही हूँ. सो लक्ष्मी मोटर्स अकाउंट डेबिट एंड प्रोविज़न फॉर डेप्रिसिएशन 15,000 ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड, एंड डेबिट लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ फर्नीचर्स. यू कैन कैलकुलेट योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज 3 लाख का व्हीकल था जिस पर हमने 2,77,000 का सेल कर दिया, जिस पे 15,000 का डेप्रिसिएशन लग चुका है. नाउ 8,000 का लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ furniture. So we have to put here narration, and you can see our entry. I am zooming this page, and you have to put narration. After then save it easily. So finally we have done our purchase of fixed assets entry, depreciation entry, and sale of fixed assets. So now we have to quit, and thank you so much for watching my video.